Those who need to isolate or quarantine themselves during the pandemic may have a free place to do so. Governor Pete Ricketts announced today that the University of Nebraska-Omaha dorms will open on Saturday for healthcare workers and first responders who need to isolate themselves from their families. It's also for folks recovering from the coronavirus. Reporter John Kipper tells us how the operation will work.
690 beds across 3 university campuses will now be available to those that need to quarantine themselves. Dorms at UNO will be the first to open up, with 18 people moving in on Saturday.
It'll be a place where you can go and quarantine those 14 days or whatever you need to do to be able to make sure that you're not infecting anybody else.
The folks staying in Lincoln, Omaha, and Kearney will get food provided to them and will either have their own restroom or have a specific fixture inside a communal bathroom, with the goal of not coming into contact with others inside the facility. To make sure nobody comes in that shouldn't, the Nebraska National Guard will be there.
The National Guard will be doing is actually providing that security. Again, we're asking people to isolate and quarantine, which means we don't want other people coming into those dorms, so they're going to be preventing people from going in.
Any healthcare worker or first responder that needs to separate from their residents can get a bed, as can those that have the virus and are either not showing symptoms, have mild symptoms, or that no longer need to be in the hospital. But medical staff will be on site at all 3 campuses.
Should patients specifically in isolation start feeling symptomatic so that they might need hospitalization, so we can either assess them personally or make the assessment that they need to be transferred to a hospital.
Still, over 670 beds are available. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Gary Antone expects plenty of them to be taken up.
So I think as word gets out and people know that it's available for them, I mean, obviously it's out there to protect their loved ones and their other personal contacts.
Reporting in Lincoln, John Kipper, 3 News Now.
Creighton University has also turned over some rooms to the state.